Hi there, today we're going to learn a tutorial on the Shim Sham. For more information on what the Shim Sham is and its history, please see the description of this video. We're going to break down each of the 4 steps individually and then put them all together. Let's get started. The first step of the Shim Sham is pretty simple. We're going to do shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle ball change, shuffle step. And we'll do that 3 times, and we'll go right, left, right. Stop after you've done the 3rd one. So it looks like this. After you've done the 3rd one, you're going to do the break, which is going to break apart the rhythm. Watch first, and then I'll break it down. So you do your final shuffle ball change, shuffle step, touch. You're going to step out with your right foot, toe left, step back, hop and switch, jump out, jump in. So let's do all that together. We'll go a little bit faster. The second step of the Shim Sham follows the same pattern as the first. We're going to do 3 steps, right, left, right, and then the break. Watch first, and then we'll break it down. Breaking down the step, we have smack, heel, ball, heel, step again. 3rd time. Then we do the break. You're going to do the ball heels across 2 times, then ball change. So we go ball, heel, step, again. Ball change, it's left, right. That's the second step. The 3rd step of the Shim Sham is pretty simple. The hardest part is just counting and making sure you've done the correct number of steps. We just finished the 2nd step with the ball change. So we went left, right. We're going to take our right leg in and spank touch. We're going to do this several times. So we did ball change, spank touch, step, spank touch, step, spank touch, step, spank touch. So there's 4 spank touches. Then we'll do ball change, and it's right, left this time. Right, left, again. Ball change again. Now things get different. We're going to do the break. So we're going to take 2 steps to the right and then go straight into our break from the 1st step. Step, 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 hop, switch, out and in. So that is the 3rd step. Let's break that down. So we did ball change, spank touch, step, spank touch, step, spank touch, step, spank touch, ball change. We're going to do 4 spank touches before a ball change. And we do it roughly 3 times before going into the break. So just listen to how that sounds. Here's the break. Step, step, step. So the 4th and final step is a little bit different than the first 3. because you do something 2 times and a break, and then you do that again. So we're going to do step, step, shuffle, ball change, step, step, shuffle, ball change. Then we do the break. Step, step, shuffle, ball change, step, step, shuffle, ball change, break. Again, step, 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 step. That's all 4 steps. Some other things about the Shim Sham. Feel free to adapt it. This dance is meant to be played with, so if you would like to change the rhythm of a step or change the actual technique steps of the step, feel free to do so. That's the wonderful thing about the Shim Sham. So good job today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.